Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all doing today? How are you all feeling today? Feeling good? Feeling fresh? Healthy? Right? Tummies are full, minds are fresh, had a good night's sleep? Yes? Very good. Because since it's the first day after the weekend and this is your 15th week and day is first day of 15th week. I hope you all are feeling good in this holy month. You all know that this is a holy month of Ramadan. I hope you all are feeling good. You must have said your prayers with your parents early in the morning. Yes, you should do a lot and lot of prayers all the time. You should pray for your parents, for your elders, and for your country, and for this, especially for this pandemic that we are facing these days, the COVID-19. Please do pray that it vanishes as quickly as it can from the whole world, right? Since it's destroying and it's creating a lot of difficulties, problems for humans, for us, for the poor people, for elder people. So many people are dying. So please, children, please pray in this holy month that this disease is eliminated. It gets vanishes from this whole world as soon as it can. Yes? Okay, now coming back to our work, tell me, students, what you did in your last class. That was on Friday. What we did about the grammar task, and the grammar task was possessive nouns. And what are those possessive nouns? Can you tell me? Yes, that tells you what a person tells what a person owns, right? What a person owns. Like suppose my teacher's marker, who owns the what thing? It tells who is the owner of a particular thing. That is possessive nouns. Now, what was the unit actually? It was Unit 9, Lara's letter. We were doing Lara's letter and still the same unit is continuing. We have not finished that unit yet. So we'll be doing another grammar part of that unit, and that, as you can see on my board, Y plus ER, Y plus EST, Y plus ED words. We are going to do this grammar part, and this is a very important part. As I already explained you, grammar is so very important that you should know the correct usage of all these terms. It is going to help you now. It is going to help you throughout your life, and whether you are in college, whether you are in university, whether you are adult, whether you are writing something, whether you are working in your office. This language is so important, and the correct usage of language is more important. You should know all these things. These are basic things. So please, whatever we are doing in the class, whatever task I tell you to do in the class as well as in homework, please revise it every day, so that you are able to tell me you are able to do the work more accurately. And then at the end of the session, when we are going to have final exams, then you don't need to rush and no need to revise it at that time, because once it will be clear, then you won't be able to revise it again and again. So if you are going as I said, then you won't be having any problems, inshallah, in your final exams, right? So now, how are we going to change Y? There is a particular rule in grammar. And what that rule is, that whenever you have to add ER, EST or ED to any words, you are going to change Y. And you are going to change Y to I. You are going to delete or erase Y and write down an IEST and IER, or sorry, not IER, IEST, IEST, IER, and IED. Okay, so first you have to remove Y, you have to write I, and then whatever words, alphabets you are writing, whether it is ER, EST, whatever it is, then you write down. But the rule is that you have to remove Y. Remove Y and then write down I instead of Y. Now, if you open your page number 58, there you can see that when ER, this page I'm talking about, class, right? Now, there you can see that when ER, EST or ED is added to words that end with Y, we usually change the Y to an I. You got it? Like suppose you can say smelly will become smellier, and then smelliest, happy, happier, happiest. Now instead you are going to erase Y and then you are going to write down IEST, whatever it is, right? Now I have few words written on my flower and we are going to do the activity with these words. Now, which word is this? What is this written? It is, we can say my flower is reply plus IED will become replied. Now we are going to erase Y and instead of Y we have to write down I then ED, it becomes reply. Got it? So this is our first word, reply, right? Now another word you can see, which word is this? Messy. Now, messy means, you know, when it is very dirty, it's messy. Now, messy, you will erase Y, you will write down IEST, messiest. Right? This is his messy. These shoes are very messy. Like his room is always messy. Right? Got it? So, we have removed Y, we have written IEST. Again, another word is smelly. Now, what you are going to do here, you will erase Y or you will delete Y, you will write down IER to become, to write it smellier. Smellier or smelliest, for both you have to remove Y. Okay? Alright? This is our third word. Alright. Now, let's come to the next one. And this is, what is this? Pretty, right. So again, you have to remove Y, you have to write down IEST for prettiest. Okay, now next word is cry, right. Again, what you are going to do, you will remove Y and you will write down IED, cried, or for writing these words. Got it? Now my last word is happy. Again, you will delete a Y or erase Y and write down happier, IER or happy. For happiest also you have to erase Y and write down IEST. So these are all the words that we have written with Y and we have changed the Y and we have used ER, EST or ED. Like reply, replied. Messy, messiest. Smelly, smelliest, smellier. Pretty, prettiest. Then cry, cried. Then happy, happier. Right? Got it? So this is the rule of writing these words. I hope you all are going to remember these rules and will be able to do the task more easily. Now, what you are going to do, you are going to open page 58 and you are going to do part A and part B both. They are very easy. You just have to, everything is, I have already explained. You just have to erase the Y and write down the words, but you have to do this work in your notebook. So since it's writing 2 questions, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task. Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Come on, let's do the first one. How have you done? The first one is already done. So do the second one, slimmy, slimmiest. What you have done, you have raised Y, N-I-E-S-T, correct. Fry, how you have written? Fried, right. So you have to erase Y and write down I-E-D for fried. Reply, replied. Again, erase Y and I. Frosty, frostier. So what you have done here? You have erased Y and you have written I-E-R, correct. Chatty, chattiest. So again, you have to remove Y, correct. Next one. Now write the word ending in Y that each word was made from. The first one is done for you. Okay, we will do from the second one. Cried. How? It will be cry, correct. Alright. Prettiest, that is for pretty. Tried, that is for try. Moodier, moody. Very good. Good job. That means that the words with IER, EST and ED are very, very clear to you all, and you are clear with the rules as well. I hope you all are going to remember all these words, all the rules that we have done. Now, for the wrap-up session, I would quickly request you to just quickly select any one or two words from here and make a sentence. Come on, reply. I am waiting for from my teacher's reply. Very good. I am waiting for my teacher's reply. Good job. Any other word? Pretty. Yes. My dress is prettier than yours. Very good. So here you have used the word prettier. Great. Good job. Cry. Yes. My brother cried yesterday because she couldn't get his favorite toy. Very good. Good job. I think those sentences are more than enough for you. Now you are going to do the work which I will be posting on your portal. And that work would be related to your workbook page. It won't be difficult. It will be related to the classwork that we have done just now. Please do it yourself. If you need any help or if you need any explanation, you can leave it and you can ask me in the next class. Okay, children? All right. See you in your science lesson. Bye-bye.